Welcome to this episode of our podcast, where we will be discussing the concept of a disciplined mindset and its benefits. Having a disciplined mindset is essential to achieving success in any area of life. It involves the development of a specific set of habits, attitudes, and behaviors that enable individuals to stay focused and committed to their goals despite setbacks, challenges, and distractions. In this episode, we will be exploring the meaning of a disciplined mindset, its importance, and the benefits of having one. What is a disciplined mindset? A disciplined mindset refers to the development of a specific set of habits, attitudes, and behaviors that enable individuals to stay focused, committed, and motivated towards their goals. It involves the cultivation of self-discipline, willpower, and perseverance in the face of challenges, setbacks, and distractions. Individuals with a disciplined mindset are proactive, self-motivated, and focused on achieving their goals, no matter how difficult or challenging they may seem. The importance of a disciplined mindset. Having a disciplined mindset is essential for achieving success in any area of life. It enables individuals to overcome obstacles and challenges that may hinder their progress towards their goals. It helps individuals to stay motivated and focused, even in the face of setbacks and failures. A disciplined mindset also helps individuals to develop self-control, willpower, and perseverance, essential traits for achieving long-term success. Benefits of a disciplined mindset. There are several benefits of having a disciplined mindset. These include increased productivity. Individuals with a disciplined mindset are more productive and efficient in their work. They are able to prioritize their tasks and manage their time effectively, enabling them to achieve their goals faster. Improved self-control. A disciplined mindset enables individuals to develop self-control and willpower, essential traits for achieving long-term success. It helps individuals to resist temptations and distractions that may hinder their progress towards their goals. Greater resilience. Individuals with a disciplined mindset are more resilient and able to bounce back from setbacks and failures. They are able to learn from their mistakes and use them as opportunities to grow and improve. Improved focus. A disciplined mindset enables individuals to stay focused on their goals, even in the face of distractions and obstacles. It helps individuals to prioritize their tasks and stay committed to their goals. Better health. A disciplined mindset is also essential for maintaining good health. It enables individuals to develop healthy habits such as exercise, healthy eating, and getting enough sleep, which are essential for overall well-being. Developing a disciplined mindset. Developing a disciplined mindset requires a deliberate effort and consistent practice. The following are some strategies for developing a disciplined mindset. Set clear goals. Setting clear and specific goals is essential for developing a disciplined mindset. It helps individuals to stay focused and committed to their goals. Create a plan. Creating a plan that outlines the steps required to achieve your goals is essential for developing a disciplined mindset. It helps individuals to prioritize their tasks and manage their time effectively. Develop daily habits. Developing daily habits that contribute to achieving your goals is essential for developing a disciplined mindset. It helps individuals to develop consistency and perseverance in the face of challenges and setbacks. Embrace challenges. Embracing challenges and setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow is essential for developing a disciplined mindset. It helps individuals to develop resilience and perseverance. Stay motivated. Staying motivated is essential for developing a disciplined mindset. It helps individuals to stay committed and focused on their goals, even in the face of setbacks and distractions. In conclusion, having a disciplined mindset is essential for achieving success in any area of life. It involves the development of a specific set of habits, attitudes, and behaviors that enable individuals to stay focused, committed. Welcome to this episode of our podcast.